Welcome all. So the topic is types of categorical data. So we know that categorical data is the data which can be categorized like male, female, like colors and like grades or things like that, which can be categorized into some groups, or we call them classes, right? So this data can be further classified into two different concepts or terminologies called nominal and ordinal. So what is meant by nominal and what is meant by ordinal? So it is pretty straightforward. Let me just write it. The differences or characteristics of both. So the nominal, it can or can be sorted. Okay, and let me just, yeah, and the ordinal is, I will show you what I mean by that, right? So ordinal, it can't be sorted, it can be sorted. Okay, let me just line them. Yeah, so this is the main difference between the nominal and the ordinal. Let me just give you an example of what I want to say here. So in the nominal we can say the gender, okay, male, female. Now this male, female, you can't sort them out, right? On the one is male and the on the second is female, you can't say that, right? It is just three or two categories, like with no order, right? So and in the ordinal categorical data we can sort them out, right? Like customer review, if I want to give you an example, like customer review, yeah, so it is like at 5 star, 4 star, or 3 star and things like that, but like we can say most happy, most happy, um, only happy, right? But it was just nice or okay or sad and worst and things like that. So we can just sort them out, like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it is like a full example of ordinal data, right? So it can be sorted and it can't be sorted. This is the main difference between the ordinal and the nominal. And why we don't why we even care about that, right? What is nominal and what is ordinal, or what is categorical, numerical, what all this, right? So we care about them because there are different techniques to handle with the different types of data. So for nominal it will be different techniques in the data science to even visualize it, or to like do any operations on them, and for ordinal it would be different, right? So we have to be sure about what type of data we have. So that's why we care about that. And in the next video I will tell you about types of numerical data or continuous data.